Hey Washington, this is Viola with Gwinnett SEO. We spoke about over the last year a few times, and I sent you one of these videos, but I wanted to just hop in here, check some things out, and see how I can possibly offer you some more value. To my surprise, your website is currently not up and running. I'm not sure if you know this. If you go straight away to the blank URL, this is pretty much what populates. Unless you already know, and maybe you're in the works of doing something, but that wasn't my purpose for getting in here. I just wanted to point that out to you, but I wanted to just go over a few tips and tricks because I saw you had some growth over the last year, which is great. Congrats on that. But I can only imagine how much growth you can have this year or how much more you would have had if we can apply some of these tips and tricks to your business. So when somebody goes to Roofing Grayson, for example, as you know, Google's job is to put them in front of the business that pretty much has the most words, the article that has the most words on it, right? So Total Pro Roofing shows up right here on the first page. So I pull them up, of course, to take a look at what they got going on. They have a lot of information right on the homepage, a lot of activity. They still don't have 2,000 words of content, so I definitely would say you can outrank them when it comes to that particular factor. The other thing I wanted to go over are backlinks. So this is your business now. This is what we're looking at Mountain Peak. All right, it looks like you have 8 websites linking back to you over 100 times, which is great. I noticed your growth from since we spoke then to now, right? However, there's still a lot of opportunity in regards to what type of backlinks can be added because the power that you're getting from these backlinks are not powerful. Otherwise, these numbers would be more similar. For example, if this was 7 and 7, or better yet, we would like to see like 47 and 47. You know, if they were stronger, higher backlinks, these numbers would be higher as well too. And of course, we get that from other companies, so we get it from other sources, right? So this is Total Pro. This is what they got going on. They have 78 sites linking back to them 200 times. Remember, not all backlinks are created equal. And that means that if they get a backlink from, let's say, themselves, like this one right here, that's not going to give you any power, right? Like this is their own directory, okay? Or, a pizza shop or something that just has nothing to do with roofing. Google knows you don't sell pizza for a living, so they're not going to give you a lot of power for that. So you want to find something more relevant, kind of like this right here. Apparently this site already has a lot of power, a lot of traffic going to it. So it's good to use something strong like Best of Gwinnett, so go in here, take a look, see what links are working for them and ask for a link on those same pages, because if it's working for them, it's going to also link for you. And then you'll start seeing some of this traffic come in on a monthly basis as well. Another thing that I wanted to point out to you are the keywords. Super, super major. So here are the keywords that are ranking for them. For example, roofing Lawrenceville, you got 20 people there. Roofing Snellville, you have roofing Snellville, Georgia, 30 people look for that per month. Okay, and let's see, that's a totally different keyword than the other one that just says roofing or Snellville roofing, so you see that. And then you got roofing Snellville, Georgia. Roofers Lawrenceville, another keyword that's totally different. Lawrenceville Roofing Company, 80 people look for that per month. And this is a pretty high one, so you want to add these to that homepage when you get your site back up and running. So that way Google can index you for those particular keywords. Okay. I notice your citations are up, so kudos to you on that. You're ranking right here. However, there's 2 more spots on this first page that you can rank, and you can dominate in, of course, you can spend money and pay to have some ads done. If you want to do that, I could help you with that as well. Or you could do it organically, which may take just a little longer, right? But maybe a few months, and you can get ranking up here, which is harder to move, because the thing about ads, when you stop paying, you disappear from up here. But organically, when Google decides to rank you, you're ranked. Okay, you're pretty much there. So that's pretty much all I have for you. And remember, save those photos as those keywords as well too. Washington, so that way you can make sure that they're finding you for images as well as the website. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. I'm going to give you a call to follow up with you, or reach out to me if you want some help with it. Other than that, it's good to make this for you. I'm happy to see that you got some growth going on there. Talk to you soon.